guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. For the returning subscribers, keep coming back for more. So today I'm going to bake a different thing than what we're used to doing. So I'm going to bake a Black Forest cake and decorate. So let's do this. Here are the ingredients, guys. So we have margarine, we have wheat flour, vanilla essence, icing sugar, or you can use normal sugar. We have cherries. Let me show you. We have cherries. This is cocoa powder. We have whipping cream. We have 4 eggs, baking powder, baking soda, and cooking oil. I'm going to pick a bowl. I'm gonna add my wheat flour, 3/4 cups. This is a sieve. You need to use a sieve to prevent it from forming crumbs. Make sure it's leveled, not an heaped spoon. I'm going to level it up. 1, 2, 3. That's 3/4 cup. Then sieve. Set this aside. I'm going to add 4 egg whites. I need to separate them first. Guys, now this is how I separate my egg yolks. I beat the egg, open up the top, then do like this as you spill over the egg whites. Then pour it out. Right, now I'm going to add in my egg whites. Going to add in the sugar. Let's measure the powdered sugar first. We need 75 grams. That's okay. Egg yolks. Add in your egg yolks and vanilla essence. 1 tablespoon. Then I'm going to add in my cooking oil. I need a 1/4 cup. Now I'm going to add my flour. Going to add in gradually like that. Then I fold it. Our cake is all mixed, as you can see. Now I'm going to take a pan. Grease it with some butter. Then apply it over here. Then flour the pan and ensure it's evenly distributed. Do this. This will prevent your cake from sticking. You can do this and also add parchment paper, baking paper. Dust off the extra flour. Then it will look like this. I'm going to line it with my baking paper, then pour in my mixture. After doing that, beat the pan to remove excess air. Now I've turned on my oven. I've switched on the burners top and bottom. It's at 180 degrees and the time I've put at 60 so that it preheats until 50. Then I add in my cake. Cook for 25 to 30 minutes. But you can check earlier to see if when you insert a toothpick or a stick, it doesn't stick. So when it's hot enough, I'll show you guys. So now I'm going to put in the cake, then I'll come back after 20 minutes to check if it's all done. For the sugar syrup, I'm going to add in some water, not a lot, then sugar. Let it boil up. to set it aside so that I wait for my sugar syrup to cool, then we can decorate. Now it's time to slice up the cake.